he's allowed to go free, then something really wrong is going on.
Listen, you are out of order.
You're out of order. You're out of order. The whole trial is out of order. He is a slime. If he's allowed to go free, then something really wrong is going on.
Listen, you are out of order.
You're out of order. You're out of order. The whole trial is out of order. He is a slime. If he's allowed to go free, then something really wrong is going on.
Listen, you are out of order.
You're out of order. You're out of order. The whole trial is out of order.
This is a motion, Mark, and that I want you to write down, and here are the words for the temporary restraining order against the prosecutor and any other legal or political persons that may apply in the decision-making of this case, in particular Jennifer Joyce and all of her assistant prosecuting attorneys. Today, the due process of my rights in this criminal court was violated in the way that I could not imagine. Everything was done out in the hallway. I was scheduled to be in court 26. And when I arrived properly to receive my disclosure there in the courtroom, and to, as Judge Elizabeth Hogan directed me when I was in court last month, to come back on the 11th to Division 16. In the interim of that time had passed. I entered pro se. I have the absolute right to be informed as an officer of the court. I have not been treated with the absolute respect of the court, the etiquette of the court, the rule of the court. This has been prosecution by oligarchy, prosecution by domination and dictation without constitutional demeanment, i.e. the oath of public office and public service to this prosecutor, Jennifer Joyce. It's crazy. Can't nobody just tell me in custody. Who want me in custody? Man, I can't afford to go down there. I get hot. I got MS. I got MS. I got MS. And I get hot. Anybody that get hot with MS, their muscles go out. Now, I can't take that damn Justice Center. A correction officer slapped me in my wheelchair. That nigga slapped me in my goddamn wheelchair in the Justice Center. I called Captain Hayden out there, Georgia. What y'all want me to do? Why y'all keep dragging me to jail?
Calm down, man. Calm down, man.
Charging this shit on me.
That's what should be on.
Listen, a soldier got murdered when I was on my way home from church one night. I saw him get his brains blown out. I had a pregnant wife and 2 children. I turned around and got out of my car to help that soldier. Then I turned around and testified for the same prosecuting office that got this bullshit on me. And I brought that young man that killed that soldier. He got life in prison. They had me in the witness protection program and my family. Now, a bullshit politician got these bullshit charges, and then they want to call y'all. That's what y'all do, just use God's power the way you want to. The fuck is God give you the power to protect us, not to abuse us? You have the power to choose on the street, life or death. Y'all don't use it beating up on a man like me. What am I a threat to? Who am I going to hurt? This is my life. I've never been to jail a day in my life. I'm ordained to do things. Joe Warzicki, the homicide attorney here, it's the bullshit. I didn't do nothing, man. I didn't do nothing, officer. Listen, I didn't do nothing, man. Look, don't talk to me like that, man. That shit, this blue shirt, man, y'all lose y'all good. Y'all forget how y'all grew up when you was riding bikes, wanted to be a police. Purposes. Now, with that being said, sir, I called the 9th District. As you know, I was locked up. Not the 9th, but the 3rd. And when I got out of jail yesterday, the other day, I came over and filed a lack of due process and equal protection and equal treatment under the law per the occupied seal of the United States Constitution that is reversed back to the state. Now, with that being said, dear sir, allegations are not guilt of anything. All your office can do is postulate that I'm guilty of something, try to get that, and then give it to the prosecutor, and the prosecutor seeks warrants as thus. Now, I'm to be in court Tuesday with the Alderwoman Casey Starr Triplett, sir. Now, the officer that I spoke with to try to find out about my evidence that they say they have against me, such as my poster that I was picketing with and politicking with because we got an election coming up. But they threatened to come take me to jail. This is what happened the other day. They took me to jail. I couldn't go to court in Division 29. Therefore, I was forfeited my appeal that I had in regards to my housing rights and my appeal rights. And then they brought it to me while I was in jail, and they held me and served me the restraining order, never giving me a phone call at all, sir. Never calling my son at all. My son never allowing me to have a phone call. And also, the 2 arresting officers, which was a bald-headed guy and a salt-and-pepper-haired white guy out of 3rd District, were very aggressive to me, and they laid hands on me when they was getting ready to fingerprint me and grabbed my arms and said, hurry up, and slapped my finger, hoping that I would respond because everybody suggested I'm aggressive. And I also was slapped. Captain Hayden, I was slapped on the processing floor by the tall, light-skinned